From this video, you will learn how to make $240,000 a month. That's a big number, I know. But this number came from our calculation based on what we do using the system I'm about to share with you. It's a simple 3-step system where you will learn how to use Google and absolutely nothing else. Well, Google and its friends, absolutely free softwares, and make money online using no investment, zero website, zero technical knowledge, zero experience, and even if you are a complete beginner, you will start making money using this system. And I want you to stay focused in this video and watch the full video because there will be multiple steps and 3 ways to make money that are completely scalable system. So you can start from zero and go to any height you want. Wherever your income goal is, you can achieve in this system. The best of the best part, you don't need any investment, and the second best part, you can do it from anywhere in the world. This video is completely free, yes, and nobody else, literally, as I have figured, on YouTube is talking about this. And if you watch the full video, you will also get an opportunity to get my AI application 100% free that will actually allow you to make money. Ready for this? Let us begin, but before we do, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way you help them learn how to make money online, easy way and the right way. Okay, so what we do in order to make money, we go to Google and YouTube and search for ways to make money online, or we go to social media and we look for what people are doing. They are buying cars, showing off their houses, living a dream life, working from beach, working from luxury spots, taking vacations, and we all want that. I get it. But instead of looking at what they do, we start following them and we fall for what they are selling. We end up buying stuff, we buy, and we don't take action and don't get results. This is exactly what happened to me back when I started in 2010, over a decade ago. I looked online, Google, YouTube, followed people who are showing off luxury stuff and their money, throwing money like this, and I said, oh my God, I want that as well. Whatever they're saying, we're doing, basically buying what they're selling and keep buying, not taking any action, not getting any results. In this video is going to change. I'm going to show you what we do completely free, the software we use completely free for you, the information we use completely free for you, and you're going to make money for free. If this is good, we should start right now. After losing a lot of time, putting a lot of effort on really nothing that brought no results, I figured to actually make money online, I need to do 2 things, and we all need to do 2 things. Number 1, this is basically secret steps. Secret number 1, forget about yourself for a moment. You tried a lot for yourself. What did you get? Nothing? If that is your case, this is the right video for you, because now you need to focus on others. Look at Google. They use their own server, they use their own webpage, they give you the best of the best search engine and all their services 100% free. Why? To help people. So focus on helping people. If you do that, people will come to you for more and more help. Then even if you don't ask them to buy anything, they will buy from you. Look at us, we buy from Google. We buy Google Drive. We use Google Apps. We use Google's other services. If we don't, same happens to YouTube. YouTube is giving away and charging money, but they're still making money. So that is it. So that is how internet works. That is how life works. The more you give, the more you earn. It's pretty simple, keep it that way. Focus on helping others. Now, what I do on the internet every single day, I browse around just like you. I use Facebook, I use Twitter, all the social media, I use Google, but I have one intention in mind. I want to help people. How? I have 2 options. One is content, second is software. Now in 10 years, we have a 7-figure per year software company. We build content as well, like this YouTube video, and we have multiple other channels and other social media channels. And we do it for one thing and one thing only. We want to help as many people as possible with information and our softwares. And in this video also, you will get multiple of our premium softwares 100% free. So stay tuned and let us make money. We are on Google News. Amazing place. You get the most trending, hottest news on any niche or department. Now we are on technology. I love technology. Who doesn't? Technology is changing our lives, giving us a better life. But for that we need money, and for that we're going to help people. So I came to the latest and I found Google Messages comes as default messaging app on Samsung's Galaxy 22 series in the US, gsmarina.com news. All right. So I clicked on this link and I found this news. Wow. Great. Now, because I am not in the reading mode, or I'm not the person who wants to spend or waste their time, I want to help you. So what I would do, I would quickly look at YouTube about how hot or how trending, how current this topic is. So I searched with a couple of key phrases like Samsung S22 Google Messages. Here is what I found. There are videos published 10, 20 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, or even 1 month ago, and they're getting hundreds of thousands of views. It means this is a hot news. And honestly, until now, I had no idea Samsung released S22. So this is the first time I know about S22. Okay, now all the money options are opening in front of me, starting from information. So now I am checking what kind of information people are sharing and people are loving. Now, most of these channels you see here are the top tech channels, so we cannot compete with them, right? Is this what you're thinking? You are wrong. Let me show you. The first video I see has got only 3 views in 49 minutes. So it was published 49 minutes ago, got only 3 views. Why is that? Because it's a small channel. It has only 637 subscribers. But hey, subscribers doesn't count. Don't fall for this number. This is absolutely not important. What's most important is the number of views. This is why I said you're going to make $240,000 per month from this video, because this channel is a pretty unknown channel. Nobody knows about their videos. They get 4 views, 10 views, 12 views from their 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute videos that literally anyone can make. But they got 121,000 views in last 30 days. Now, honestly, even we got 22,000 views in last 28 days, and we made $2.20 per view on the average. So you can imagine, if these guys are smart and they know how to make money, then how much money they have made from 121,000 views. It should be more than $250,000 in last 30 days. But did I mention if they're smart? Well, I'm not gonna judge them, but you are going to be smart and you will learn how to make money. So let me solve the first problem. The first problem is the new channels are getting views or not. Actually, YouTube helps the new, old, every channel, and they try to push everybody's content. But what YouTube wants the first is consistency. Now, this channel has a consistency and they keep posting videos frequently and regularly, so they're getting help from YouTube. Now, you might be asking why their other videos are not getting much views. Because their channel is all over the place. It's not a specific niche channel. It's just publishing videos random. They just publish videos randomly. We are not. We are publishing as content creators on regular basis, and we are getting hundreds of views on our videos. Now, how are you going to make money? Number 1, go to Google News, check with Google Trends, check with YouTube, and find out a hottest trend. Like this Google Messages comes as default messaging on Samsung S22. This is the news. You can find more information on this topic on hundreds of other articles. Go give them a quick read and try to understand what it is. Look at what other creators are creating and then go to My Software Epic. Link in the description, you can get your free access. Now, how to make money online in this system? 3 different ways. Number 1, once you start getting views, your channel will be accepted for monetization. When YouTube will run ads on your videos, you will make money from YouTube AdSense. This is completely passive income. But the second two income are not totally passive, but still passive, which means you really don't need to do anything. You need to add your affiliate links in the description of your videos and ask your viewers to click the link in the description. So what can you promote as an affiliate? Go to Etsy, go to Amazon, go to eBay, and you will find phone related, the phone that you are talking about. In this case, Samsung S22, you will find hundreds, thousands of products related to Samsung S22. Etsy and Amazon doesn't really pay you a high commission. They pay you 4 to 10%, something like that. It's very low, but eBay pays you up to 20-30% or even more. If you promote something from ClickBank, you will get paid up to 75% commission. On Warrior Plus and JVZoo, some related application, you will get 50% commission, which is amazing. And the third is apps. These are hardwares and there are softwares, phone applications. There are applications who pay you affiliate commissions for promoting them. Promote those useful applications and you will make passive commissions. Now, the second secret that I missed, remember? I told you the first secret, help others through your work. So you're gonna help people through your videos. But the secret number 2 is doing it for a long time. Do it relentlessly. Look at our channel, we make videos every single day. And we have multiple channels, we have multiple teams making videos for every channel every single day. And we have shorts channels where we publish 10 to 20 videos per day, which are basically less than 1 minute videos, starting from 10 seconds to 1 minute videos. And on most channels, we use our software Epic. How much we make? 7-figure per year. Okay, pretty decent income. And that's why I said you can also make $240,000 a month. If we can make $2.20 from our views, from each view, you can make much more than that. For some of our products that we promote ourselves, our own product, but we promote as affiliate, we make up to $5.50 or $5.80 per click. For 1,000 clicks, we make $5,000 to $6,000. That is it. All you need to do is to use Google's information, Epic software, free and link in the description, and start publishing. If you don't want to be on the camera, don't worry, use Epic. If you don't want to give your voiceover, don't worry, use Epic. If you don't have time, don't worry, use Epic. You have team members who work for you, don't worry, give them Epic, they will use. But focus on the 2 steps. Number 1, help others with your work. And number 2, do it continuously, relentlessly, without stopping. Every time I open Epic, I get excited because it's so easy to make videos. Go to Create New, S22, Shorts, and select Vertical. Click Create. Boof! Our shorts is started. Now I'll go to Canva and I'll choose either Pinterest or Instagram Stories. Just search with technology and I'll look for something that has a headline, place for image, and some text. It seems this one is a good one. I'm going to remove the text. I simply want the template. I will use this one. Remove the text, remove the text, and remove the text. Then download it, and I will upload the file. Awesome. Let's stretch it. It fits. Awesome. Now copy, paste here, and we want the text color to be white. Choose and add text. The background needs to be transparent. Choose. Done. If you want, change the font. It looks good. Hit enter. On the center, bring it here. Then I want to add more image. Copy image address from here. Control V and boom. To make it dramatic, do something like this. Change orientation. And we want to add more text. We want to add this text. Control C. But this is not our text, so we want to rewrite it. For that, we can use the text generator, either spin it or use the AI to generate new text. I'm going to just spin it. So spin text. Spinning is done. Add text. Text is added here. Change the background. Add the subscribe text here. Now we need a voiceover. For that, copy the text. Go to audio. Add text to audio. Add a title. WaveNet. Female. Control V. Submit. Go to text to audio. Add this text. Add this sound. And we have a 54 seconds long YouTube Shorts. Without using camera. Without voiceover. Without using our own text. Only by copying and pasting. Let's play it. Now all we have to do, let's try it.
Beginning with the Samsung Galaxy.
Good one. Now we need to render it. Click OK. Once it's rendered, you'll get an email notification. Our rendering is done. Let's play it.
Beginning with the Samsung Galaxy S22 series.
Did you like our video so far? Did you like our software that we're giving away? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button and share this video with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. This is how you inspire us to make more and more videos like this, give away more of our softwares for free so you can make money the easy way and the right way. And we will see you in the next video.